Bee. Welcome to my Unicorner. Today I'm hanging out with my friend, Tyler.
Hello.
Oh, I just got a bright idea. It's time for a magic show.
You know magic?
Get ready to be amazed. Okay, so for our first trick, I, the Magnificent Bee, will make all these crayons vanish into thin air. Unicadabra, make these crayons disappear!
Whoa! How did you do that?
A true magician never reveals her secrets, except to her friends, of course. Come on, I'll show you how to do it. First, take some crayons. Break the bottoms off and tape them together. Then put them in the box and hold them in place by squeezing the box with your fingers. To make them vanish, just stop squeezing the box. The crayons fall to the bottom and look like they disappeared. Now, for the Magnificent Bee's next trick, this may look like an ordinary paper tube. See? Nothing inside. But watch. Unicadabra! Ta-da!
Whoa! You have to show me how you did that one.
Okay, check it out. All you have to do is roll up a piece of paper into a tube and tape it. Then make a second tube, but make one end just a little smaller. Put the two tubes together and tuck the scarf into the space that's left at the end. Then, voila!
I love that trick.
Cool, right?
Okay, now I've got one.
Ooh, great!
Are you ready?
Yeah!
All right. So I'm just going to pour some water into this empty cup. Presto, Changeo! Have no fear. Watch this water disappear.
Wow! Okay, I think I know how this one works. There must be a hole in the bottom of the cup. Wait, what? How did you do that?
Okay, so this one's actually pretty easy. Just put a paper towel in the bottom of the empty cup. Then, when you pour in the water, the paper towel sucks it up, making it look like the water vanished into thin air. Amazing!
That was so cool!
Yeah, we know some pretty good tricks.
Yeah. And now you can do a magic show for your friends too. But when you do, just remember to be bold,
Be you
and be unicorn! Bye!